Welcome back to the Summer Rain channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take a spool of wick and turn it into the tab wicks that you would put into a candle. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, if you want to check out my blog, I do have different candle recipes available. Without further ado, let's go ahead and tab some wicks. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to need a spool of raw wick, which is just wick on a spool like this. We're going to need the tabs for the wicks, and we're going to need candle wax. Go ahead and grab yourself a heat-safe container and then just put a wee little bit of wax in the bottom of it. We're going to pop this onto a double boiler. I will be back when it's melted. Okay, melted the wax, so let's go ahead and put our wicks in. And then what you're going to want to do is just come in with a spatula to make sure the wicks are fully covered in the wax and just push them in. Go ahead, you can either use a pan like this or you can use a piece of tin foil. You just want to cover your countertop up so it doesn't have wax all over it. And you're going to pull the wicks out one at a time. Shake off any extra wax that may be on there. And lay it as straight as you can in the pan. So we're going to go ahead and do that for all of the wicks. And then we're going to allow these to cool completely. After your wicks cool, you can just pull them right out. You're going to need your pliers, your primed wicks, and your tabs. The primed wicks mean they stand up like this. They're no longer flimsy like a piece of string because we put the coat of wax on them. This way it'll stand up in a candle. And what you want to do is you want to take the wicks, just put them through the tabs, and then pinch it right there. If you need to. And then you can just come in and trim the bottom parts if you need to. And it's that easy. That's how you tab your wicks for candle making. I hope you enjoyed the video.